In the past, every time I watched a woman on the internet talk cliche things like, oh my god, girls never ever 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 settle, and then she would go on to tell us what her man did for her, मुझे लगता था कि no bro, she's just doing this for views, this is not possible, this is delusional, this is AI, and then I would just get so irritated. And I met my man and I'm like, oh shit, no way, these men actually do exist. So I'm gonna be one of those girls today and I'm gonna tell you a story. I'm currently in Boston visiting my long distance boyfriend. I arrived yesterday after completing a 30-hour journey. So after I got home, showered and got ready, उसने मुझे बोला कि तुम आराम से बैठो, मैं अभी लंच सर्व करूंगा. And he just casually serves me this dish. ये थोड़ी बहुत कल की लेफ्ट ओवर भी बची है, आज मैं खाने वाली हूँ. And let me tell you, this is no ordinary dish, okay? This is my most favorite dish in the world. And ये डिश मिलती है शिकागो में. So for context, I used to live in Chicago. I lived there for about 3 years and last year I had to leave. In fact, today is the 1-year anniversary of the day I permanently left Chicago. When I used to live there, I was obsessed with this restaurant called Shang Noodles and Chinese. It was in Evanston, closer to Northwestern campus where I used to go to school. I'm not joking when I say this, and there will be many people who will even confirm this claim, but ये डिश मैं खाती थी हफ्ते में 3 बार minimum and I did so for 3 years. Now that I'm in the US, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टेम्प्ट हो रही थी कि मैं शिकागो वापस जाऊँ सिर्फ ये डिश खाने, but I don't think I'm ready to go back to Chicago yet because I don't want to open that book again and मेरा ट्रॉमा वापस बाहर आ जाएगा. So anyways, मैं बहुत अपसेट थी कि मैं शिकागो वापस नहीं जा रही हूँ and मुझे ये डिश खाने को नहीं मिलेगी. I'm not kidding when I say this. For the last 1 year, I've been experiencing withdrawal syndrome over this one dish because this dish was my comfort dish. Okay, every time shit would go wrong in Germany, I would cry and I would crave this dish so bad. But of course, like it's not there, you know. But then ये मेरे महान boyfriend मेरा कष्ट देख थोड़ी सकते हैं. So 2 weeks ago, this man was in Wisconsin visiting his friend, and 2 दिन की ट्रिप में he managed to find time to drive all the way to Chicago to Evanston to go to this restaurant, pack me this dish, vacuum seal it, bring it back to Boston and freeze it. So जब मैं Boston आऊँ मुझको ये खाने को मिले.
अब खाओ.
I'm gonna sound cliche when I say this, but girls never settle.
She settled.
चलो मेरे लिए गरम करो अब.
क्या तुम मेरे साथ बस कंटेंट और फूड के लिए हो? थैंक यू.
मुझे हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा.
चबा के खाओ.